I am so excited to introduce the Meredith Boyd Cosmetics Studio Glam Palette. This is available at meredithboydcosmetics.com, and this is the tutorial, so stick around, please subscribe and give me a like. Okay, let's get started. So this has 7 full eyeshadows. I use these in the studio. I absolutely love them. They're neutrals. We've got a shimmer and neutrals from light, medium, and dark. First, I use Eye Fix. This is an eye base eyeshadow primer on both eyelids. Then I use 2 crease brushes, one for dark eyeshadows and one for light. So first, I'm going to start with the light shadow. The first shadow I'm going to use is called Vanilla Ice. It's a matte cool cream. So I'm going to lay that down, just patting that vanilla ice onto the eyelid. The next shade I'm going to use is Camel. It's my transition shade. It's a light matte yellow brown. So I'm going to use my second brush for this shade, which is again Camel, right in the crease, back and forth, windshield wiper motions. Super easy. This is a transition shade. Next is Dusk. This is a matte medium Camel using the same crease brush right on top. I'm going to be using Dusk on the other eye, right in the crease. And just keep blending. Next is Pebble. This is a matte rich brick brown eyeshadow, right in the corners. Now I'm going to go back to my first brush, back into Vanilla Ice, and just blend. See, there's Vanilla Ice. I'm going to be blending the inner corners and all around, just so that to soften any edges. Next, we're going to go to Smoke, using that second brush, which is the matte chocolate brown, which is again Smoke, right in the outer corners. Ooh, it's pretty. Love this shade. Really work that in. Back to Vanilla Ice with the very first brush so we can blend some more. And then this is Dazzle Light. This is the High Frost White with a pink hue. I just use my fingertip and just press it onto my eyelid. Love that shimmer shade. And then I'm just using my second brush with nothing extra on it, and just blending. Taking a step back, checking it out from another viewpoint. Taking that first brush that has Vanilla Ice on it and continuing to blend. I'm going to go back to Camel. Remember, that's our transition shade. That's that light matte yellow brown. I love this shade. It is so pretty. That way it just easily transitions into lights, it just into medium hues. It is a stunning color. Now I'm using the Blackest Black, which is a matte pure black with silver flecks as an eyeliner. I love using eyeshadow as eyeliner. I'm using a flat eyeliner brush for this, on the top and the bottom. Using some mascara. And not to forget, my besties from Meredith Boyd Cosmetics, Mink Lashes, are the finishing touch. And this is the finished look. Give me a like and please subscribe.